clean that off too.
Nanghambog siya kay isara daw ka kuan siga jud daw yun ni daw iyahang giplaster diri Be. Siga ba be? Ganahan siya magpaaso-aso gid daw. Akong banana oy. Ayan, isiga jud siya. One match only. It's all there is all.
Don't like those one match fires.
Yes. You don't need to do that.
No, I'm getting rid of this. It'll burn.
Makahinumdum ang punta sa probinsya, oy.
You got nothing you want to cook?
Bacon? Can we cook the bacon here?
Well, give it a go.
Wow, look at that. Looks good.
Who doesn't like a one match fire?
You should wear a t-shirt, B.
Why do you? We're home.
For yourself. What? Looks good. Nya, anhi mo sa among piso. Nami piso dire. Iabot nag-Australia pero grabe ka Bisaya jud ang kinabuhi. Naa piso. Piso, piso, piso. Kuyog baboy kaayo sila. Do you wanna come out? Hey? After 2 weeks, pagawson ta mo, na mag-in-English man na sila. Kabalo po na sila mag-binisaya, mag-Tagalog. Subscribe na mo sa akong channel. Kung Bisaya mo parehan ako, na magbinisaya ta ninyo tanan. Uy! Uy! Da hustler, oy. Ang ilahang kani nga dako na siya ng buli. Lah, dakuan sa kuan eh. Woo! Woo! Oh my goodness. Okay, ang kayo dai. Para man yung tago-tago. Krrrk! Krrrk, 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 krrrk. Krrrk, 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 krrrk. Krrrk. Nagsige na po kag pangakha diha Ha? Gihadlok na po nimong mga piso. Whoa. Can you feel the heat? The tower has fallen over.
Nice.
Leave it be!
No. Beautiful.
Magpizza ta kay barato ra. Mas barato pa kaysa Pilipinas. Yummy.
Cheaper. $12 here. 3 pieces, $12.
So, tulo ka buok, $12. Yum! Nga una ta. Cheese.
Cheap.
Yum.
$3.95 per pizza. No.
Yummy.
Yummy. Wow.
This one is ham and cheese. Yeah.
Yummy. Ham and cheese is yummy. Oh, that's a big one. Gee, the boy cutting this wasn't very good, was he? Yum. But he wasn't consistent with his cutting. Look at the size of this place. Gee, damn.
Naunta. Mahal ang bugas. Pizza na lang ta.
So do you get $12 in peso? What's that?
Times 34.
3.
900. 1,000.
That's 3.
1,000 pesos.
Cheaper than the Philippines. Very cheap.
Am I correct? 34. Oh no, 34 times 12. 300 something plus 4. 34 times 12, yeah?
$12 here. To buy this in the Philippines would probably be maybe $30. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. In the Philippines, do you feel the radiant heat?
Oh!
Feel it. Do you?
Yes,
That's
I feel
radiant heat.
it. Mga unta ninyo kamote. Maluto lagi na siya dayon. Kay humok man siya nga kamote. Kasabot ka sa akong gisulti? Steve?
That's great heat, Dave. For cooking, it's great heat.
Nice.
Wow.
Can we cover it so my sweet potato will cook?
Oh, well, if you want, just cover over there, Dave.
Nope, sweet potato. Kamote. Kamote. My kamote baby. Yay. Ha!
Wow. Good, huh? There's some air in. Wow.
Oh,
There's the heat here.
the heat is diminishing. A barbecue sweet potato.
There's not much heat in there, so you should let the top off.
My big monkey.
Payag, please.
We're cooking the sweet potato with the babab. Aussie-Filipino. Oh, this one, no more strength. Well done, Dia. Akong Bisaya nga bana Bisaya kayo, huyop-huyop. There, where did you learn that? From the stove?
Boy Scouts there.
Ah, Boy Scouts. Oh, stop, Dia. Don't make it fire just like that. Right. It reminds me of our camping in Catherine, Kimberly. Oh, it's like a snow. Ooh. Utong gyudong. Tong torong tong tong. Wad ang naghangin. You lost oxygen. Naluto na ang sinugba nga kamote. Humot kaayo. Napita ang kuan.